In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add things side by side in Notion. Before we begin, it's important to know this only works on a regular Notion page, not inside a database page. A regular page is a standalone page you create from the sidebar or with a new page button. If you're inside a table, board, or list view, and you can see properties like tags and status, that's a database page. Columns won't be available there. So start by creating or opening a regular page where you want your content to live. Give it a clear title so you know what the page is for, and make sure you're in the main body of the page, ready to type. Next, add your columns. The easiest way is to use the slash command. Click into the page, type a /, then start typing the word column. Notion will show you options for columns, and you can select how many columns you want to add side by side. This lets you structure your page into vertical sections instantly, which is great for layouts like notes on the left and tasks on the right. For this example, choose 2 columns. 2 columns are perfect for most workflows because they keep your page readable while letting you compare content at a glance. Once you select 2 columns, you'll see 2 empty areas appear right next to each other. Each column works like its own mini page area, so you can place content independently in each one. Now start adding your content in each column. Click into the left column and type your text, paste information, or insert blocks. Move to the right column and do the same with different content. You can add headings, to-dos, images, embeds, and more, and they'll stay neatly side by side. This is especially helpful for side-by-side comparisons, dashboards, or notes paired with references. If you already have content on the page, you can cut and paste it into the columns to organize things faster. As you work, keep related items together in the same column to make scanning and navigation easier. And that's all. You've created a regular page, added columns with the / command, selected 2 columns for a clean, balanced layout, and placed your text and other content side by side. This simple setup makes your Notion pages more visual and more useful without any complex configuration.